Hey everyone, so today we are going to be opening up this Dragon Boat Festival box. I've been really looking forward to opening this up. I love the artwork on this box to start with. I'm definitely keeping this box in the collection, 100%. So let's have a look and see what we get from here. So I have been really looking forward to opening this up. Oh, nice. Look at that. That is lovely. So, to start with, we get this bag with Gyarados and Pikachu on there. I mean, look at that bag. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. I mean, what a design on there. What a beautiful thing. We also get this fridge magnet here. I mean, look at that beauty. That is going straight on my fridge. Absolutely. Right, and then we got a few packs here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of Stellar Crystal. So let's have a look and see what we can get. I of course am looking for a Pikachu of some sort. Absolutely. I haven't had much luck with this set when I've previously opened it. And we start off with a EX. Nice. So I haven't had much luck with this set so far, so I would quite like to get something from it if I can. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful art rare. Oh, look at that. Let me know in the comments if you've opened up Stellar Crystal. Or if you've opened up this Dragon Boat Festival gift box. And a Master Ball there. Nice. I mean, I am pretty happy with that so far. We got an AR, an EX, and a Master Ball. I mean, fantastic. A Pokeball there. And our last pack from our Dragon Boat Festival box. Let's see what we can get from here. Let's have a look. Oh, and a Sylveon EX. So we've got our EX, our Pokeball, a Master Ball, our art rare, and our other EX. Let me know in the comments what your favourite card that we pulled is today. Let me know in the comments what your favourite card is that we managed to pull today. I will see you in the next one.